Hi everybody, we're going to find the partial fraction decomposition. This one has repeated irreducible quadratic factors here. So to make it proper rational, I set up a linear placeholder here with ax plus b plus cx plus d. And what we're going to do is clear the fractions here by multiplying both sides of the equation by x squared plus 16 squared. So this is your least common denominator. So you always just use whatever's there. So you get x cubed plus 1 equals, now one of these goes away, so you get ax plus b times x squared plus 16. Both of these go away, so we're just left with plus cx plus d. Now, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this side. So you get ax cubed, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in this order so I don't have to rearrange these. Then I'll do my 16 here. So we get 16ax. And then we have plus 16b. And then just copy that down, plus cx plus d. Now let's combine everything. We have ax cubed plus bx squared. We have these two x's for like terms, so I'm going to write this as plus 16a plus c and put the x here. And then for the following, I have no x's there, so that's going to be plus 16b plus d. And that would be like x to the 0. X to the 0 is 1, so I went down there. And now on this side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a placeholder for everything. So I'm going to do x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 1. And you could do x to the 0 there if you want. And then all you're going to do is match everything up. So for my x cubed, you match these two up. My a is 1. So we have a equals 1. Alright? For the square one, we have the b. Let's match that up. So you match the x squares up. You get b equals 0. And now we're going to match our x to the first power up. And that one's going to be 16a plus c equals 0. And then we're going to match up the 1 with this one. So we get 16b plus d equals 1. Alright, so let's go ahead and write that out. Over here I'll write it out again. So a equals 1, b equals 0, and we had 16a plus c equals 0. We also had 16b plus d equals 1. Well, if I do this one first, b is 0, so that knocks that out, and we just get d equals 1. And for this one, I plug in the 1 here, so you get 16 plus c equals 0, so c equals negative 16. So since we got our a, b, c, and d, we can just plug it in. So we have x cubed plus 1 divided by x squared plus 16, and then square it. We're going to get my a, which is 1x plus b divided by x squared plus 16 plus a negative 16x plus 1 over x squared plus 16 squared. Now I want to just straighten this up a bit. We don't need the 0 here, and we don't need the 1. So basically, this would be your final answer. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.